This is Neil Osterweil. I'm speaking with Dr. Claudio Anasetti from the H. Lee Moffitt Cancer Center in Tampa, Florida. Dr. Anasetti, could you please explain to us the principal findings of your study?
The patients who were randomized to receive either bone marrow transplant or peripheral blood stem cell transplant. And what we found in a study of more than 550 transplants is that if patients receive peripheral blood stem cell transplants are more likely to engraft, are going to engraft faster, but they're going to develop more chronic graft-versus-host disease, lasting 2 or more years. And the survival, relapse, probability of surviving free of disease are the same. And therefore there is the question as to whether patients would undergo this type of procedure using peripheral blood stem cells with the concern that after 2 years an excess number of them will still be suffering from chronic graft-versus-host disease.
I believe that you have said that approximately 3/4 of such transplants now are done with peripheral blood stem cells. Would people be more willing to go back to considering bone marrow therapy?
Likely, yes. First of all, more transplants are done using unrelated donor than sibling donor transplants. Second, about 3/4 use peripheral blood stem cells, and therefore it is possible that in those patients that receive myeloablative conditioning regimens in preparation for the transplant, they will likely going back to use bone marrow if they're done as a standard of care. They may still undergo peripheral blood stem cells if they are conducted on clinical trial that study that question. Patients that receive non-myeloablative or reduced intensity transplant not really benefiting from all the knowledge conducted from this study, and for those it is possible peripheral blood stem cells will still be the treatment of choice.
Thank you, Dr. Anasetti.